I thought I was a tool for teaching computer programming. I now think I can be used to teach almost anything. How can I use Scratch as a tool for teaching and learning? I'm always busy. I want to learn online when I have free time. I would like to connect learning to classroom practice. I need an instructional technique that can be used to help teachers to acquire this knowledge. Successful techniques in instructing teachers on technology are hands-on active learning, exploring, reflecting, collaboration among peers, participating in active learning. A problem-focused learning design, a design that supports learners in their construction of knowledge. That's what I need. Learning in this design is based on the solution of an open-ended problem. This open-ended problem is investigating how Scratch is used as a resource to support teaching and learning across the curriculum. Learners will construct multiple solutions. The open-ended problem is further broken down into 3 subtasks. Task 1, Explore, evaluated selected Scratch projects. Learners will evaluate the projects and rank them. Task 2, Describe. Develop a rubric for evaluating Scratch projects. Task 3 is to apply knowledge from Task 1 and Task 2 to create a Scratch project using the rubric as a guide for development. The order of the tasks is important. All tasks are connected and relate to the main task, which is our open-ended problem. Resources and support is provided to help learners complete tasks. While the design is essentially generative in nature, some supplantive strategies are deployed. These include learning supports, such as monitoring and assessment of students' learning progress, social supports, such as facilitating collaboration and interaction among learners. An instructional strategy was created for Task 1, the task of ranking and reviewing 5 given Scratch projects. The type of learning for this task is declarative knowledge, knowing the qualities of what a good Scratch project is. I need an instructional strategy. The first step in the strategy is to recall teachers' prior knowledge with assessment of school projects. For example, their knowledge of how to evaluate a science project. So within Moodle, they'll comment on and discuss 5 general characteristics of what constitutes, or what they think constitutes, a quality school project. Next, arouse interest and motivate. Essentially, arouse interest with some interesting examples of Scratch projects created in different subject areas. So learners will download the projects and view them. The next step is practice elaboration. By ranking Scratch projects, learners connect to their existing knowledge on evaluating school projects. As they go through the process of ranking and including explanations for the rankings, these connections will be made. Feedback. Within Moodle, learners will comment on and discuss similarities and differences between their group's rankings and other groups' rankings. Learners essentially receive and give feedback. Lastly, reflection. This is a student process summary. Within Moodle, teachers will post 5 characteristics of what they think describes a quality Scratch project. A prototype of Task 1 was created in Moodle. This prototype was used for usability testing. Results of usability testing included a need to run the running of individual Scratch projects required additional support. Users needed to be notified when they were leaving the Moodle site. And additional support is needed for teachers that have no experience with Scratch at all, so that they can actually run projects correctly. Thank you.